Judge, at 1 minute until 9, and I was out calling names and none of these people.
I'm not having any trouble, Don. I don't know what your trouble
Well,
is.
I guess everyone's
Just
scary.
they're all showing up for me.
And I've never spoken with them either.
Are you David Lee Stevens?
Yes.
I like your last name.
Right.
One of us is misspelling it. Nonetheless, seriously, though, you were charged here with the second-degree felony of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, namely a knife. And that doesn't end there, because the indictment states that you were convicted in 2010 in Sutton County, Texas. I'm not aware of Sutton County. I'm not familiar with that. Is that up near Fort Worth?
Texas.
Huh?
Going toward El Paso.
Okay, it's west. What's the what's the county seat of Sutton County? Yeah,
Sonora, Texas.
Sonora.
Yeah.
That's way out there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it states you were finally convicted of illegal possession of a controlled substance, a third-degree felony in 2010 out of the 112th District Court of Sutton County. So what this means is not good. Your second-degree felony in paragraph 1, if you're found guilty of that, it can be enhanced or increased because of the previous third-degree felony out of Sutton County, if that's accurate. So if all of this is proven true, you were looking at a first-degree felony of no less than 5 nor more than 99 years confinement or life imprisonment, and a fine up to $10,000. So that is what you're facing here. The victim in this case, do you have any connection with this victim right now? Contact? The Keisha?
Yes, sir.
You're not supposed to.
I brought her to court so she could sign and let her know that it was untrue.
What was untrue?
The whole indictment.
That she lied?
Yes.
Well, that's a crime, isn't it? How many people are going to get in trouble on this? I don't like that. That's not the way the game, it's not a game that's played.
Buckle up,
State,
guys.
she's the prosecutor.
Today we're diving into a
I know the
courtroom
way she
hearing that
thinks
takes
about
a
this
shocking turn almost immediately. What starts as a routine
Lying doesn't get
explanation
you
of
out of
serious
trouble.
felony charges quickly becomes
you in
something
trouble.
far more unexpected when the defendant openly admits he contacted
What's
the
his
alleged
bond?
victim despite a strict no
You're not
contact
supposed to
order.
have any contact.
Then comes an
with
even bigger
people.
surprise. He says he
Especially-
brought her court to change his story
changing stories.
instead of helping his
It
case.
isn't the way,
That confession
Isn't
the way
instantly
it's supposed to
raises
be.
new legal concerns and changes the entire
well,
direction of the hearing.
no, you've had State, she's the prosecutor. I know the way she thinks about this stuff. Lying doesn't get you out of trouble. Get you in trouble. What's his bond? You're not supposed to have any contact with people who are the victims, especially and changing stories. It isn't the way.
I know.
Isn't the way it's supposed to be. Well, no, you've had contact because you know too much about the plan that's being hatched to try to absolve you of responsibility. The law is not a gun. The law, it's about fairness and justice. I'm sorry?
His bond is $75,000.
Who posted that?
I did.
Where'd you get $75,000?
I worked on.
Okay, well, it's doubled to $150,000 now. Threatened to kill her with a knife, holding the knife in the hair. I'm sorry. When I'm speaking, you can't speak because the lady can't take everything. But this is what the lady said, the victim. You said, I'm going to effing kill you. Blood was observed throughout the house. A weapon was located. The victim stated the threat was taking place. She tried to gain control of the knife, cut her finger in the process. They located you, detained you. Y'all had been in a dating relationship for 5 years. 2 children. This isn't role modeling, for children. This isn't good role modeling for children. Due to the I'm still working on the probable cause affidavit. It's lengthy and detailed. Due to the nature of this call and the partnership, both were in agreement of the assault was, I don't understand what that word is. The assault was a result of family violence. The victim states she believed that you are capable of your threats.
All right, guys, this is where the courtroom atmosphere becomes incredibly tense.
Condition of all bonds.
The judge makes it
or
clear that
don't have
changing
contact
statements
with
doesn't
the
raise
victim
serious allegations.
Unless I
Then begins reading the detailed police
authorize it,
report
and
describing a violent knife attack,
I didn't.
chilling death threats, and a desperate struggle that
Here's
left
the
blood
remarks
throughout
of the
home.
magistrate
Every new
when your
detail
bond was
paints a
set.
darker picture than the last, making it obvious
Remarks.
why the court is
No
treating these
contact
allegations with the
of
highest
any
level of
kind
concern.
with the victim,
Part 3.
Lakeisha Williams.
Original clip
It's
timeline.
$150,000
5/21 to
plus.
6/30.
Okay. Condition of all bonds or don't have contact with the victim unless I authorize it, and I didn't. Here's the remarks of the magistrate when your bond was set. Remarks. No contact of any kind with the victim, Lakeisha Williams. It's $150,000 plus you have to have a GPS device. Plus you will stay in home confinement at someone else's location other than the victim until this can be.
All right,
All
guys,
right, Jeffrey
the
Dorson.
consequences arrive immediately.
Judge,
After
you were
reviewing
charged,
the
as you know,
original
with
bond
the
conditions,
third-degree
the
felony of
judge
deadly
concludes that the
conduct,
defendant
which
knowingly
carries with it up to
violated
10
a
years in
direct
prison,
court order
and as you
by
know, Mr.
contacting
Garcia,
the
is your
alleged
attorney.
victim.
Go ahead.
That
Just
single
asking just for a
decision
rating,
completely
accepted.
changes the
Leasing
outcome of the
regulator in this
hearing.
room.
Okay.
The
What
bond
are
is
you asking
doubled.
for? 4
GPS
weeks. Okay.
monitoring and
Thank you.
strict house
That's
arrest are
pre-record.
ordered, and the defendant is
Thank you.
taken
That's a
back
record.
into custody on the spot.
So
It's a powerful
it's
reminder
for
that
an
ignoring court
announcement.
orders
Yes.
can have immediate and serious
April 19th was
consequences.
not a good day. All right, Jeffrey Dorson. All right.
Judge,
You were charged, as you know, with the third-degree felony of deadly conduct, which carries with it up to 10 years in prison. And as you know, Mr. Garcia is your attorney. Go ahead.
Judge, we're asking just for a rating, accepted.
There isn't leasing regulator in this room.
Okay.
What are you asking for?
4 weeks.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
No, that's a pre-regular.
Thank you, Judge.
That's a regular. So it's for an announcement.
Yes, Judge.
April 19th was not a good day, guys. That's over a year ago. This thing was filed in December. What are we gonna do?
Keep him on probation.
Are we having a hearing on it, or is it gonna be agreed? What do y'all had?
There is no agreement to keep him on probation, Judge. There is a state jail offer.
It's over 6 months old. Nobody's said it. Nobody's talked.
He's able to.
Here's what we do. You set it for a hearing. Can y'all be ready in 2 weeks?
Yes,
All
sir.
right, it's a hearing. I'll make the decision. No deal. Daniel Rodriguez. Daniel Rodriguez. Right. Daniel Rodriguez.
Sir, I replay.
No. Don't get ready. 2 weeks. Daniel,
Yes, sir.
what's he gonna, on this one? This is a state jail felony, right? That carries with it up to 2 years in the state jail. I don't see any criminal history, so. It's, yeah, everybody makes mistakes. How you deal with your mistakes is the test. What are we gonna do? I don't know. This one is February of this year. It's indicted. It is. It is.
It's an MTR.
No, this isn't an MTR. The other one was. This is a new case.
I get an offer. I'll see if he wants to do it. If not, I'll sit up and train. So you can buy the leash.
Hold on.
They're holding for a second. No, I'll talk to me.
All right,
In
guys,
December.
one dramatic case concluded.
We're gonna
The
do.
courtroom shifts to other
Keep
pending
him on
felony
probation.
matters, showing how
Are we having a
quickly
hearing
justice
on it,
moves from
or
one
is it gonna
defendant to the
be
next. The
agreed?
judge reviews scheduling issues.
What are Y'all had.
There is
possible
no
plea
agreement to
discussions.
keep him on probation,
reminds
Judge.
everyone
There is
that
a state jail
accountability
offer.
depends
So we're
not
6
only on
weeks
the
old, nobody's
charges,
said
but on
it,
the
nobody's
choices made
talking.
afterward. Every decision
Here's what
inside
we
this
do.
courtroom
You set it for a
carries
hearing. Can
lasting
y'all be ready in 2
consequences.
weeks?
If
All
you
right, it's a
enjoyed this
hearing.
courtroom
I'll
breakdown,
make the decision.
don't forget to like this
No
video,
deal.
subscribe to the
Daniel
channel, and turn
Daniel
on
Rodriguez.
notifications so you never miss
Daniel
our next
Rodriguez.
case. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the
Daniel
next video.
Rodriguez.